In today's video, I'm going to show you how to indent the second line in Google Docs for citations. Proper citations are essential for clear and professional document formatting, and knowing how to adjust them correctly can make your work look polished and well organized. Let's dive right in. First off, open your Google Docs document where you want to make this adjustment. It's important that you're in the right document to apply these changes effectively. Once your document is open, you'll want to ensure that you can see the ruler, as this is crucial for making the indentations. To do this, navigate to the View menu at the top of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, make sure Show Ruler is checked. If it's not already checked, go ahead and click on it. In my case, I already have the ruler displayed. This ruler runs horizontally across the top of your document and serves as a guide for formatting and aligning your text. Now that we have our ruler in view, let's move on to adjusting your text. Highlight the paragraph or the portion of text that you wish to indent. This step is key because the adjustment will only apply to the selected text. If you don't highlight the text, your changes may not appear where you want them. With your text highlighted, it's time to focus on the ruler that we enabled earlier. At the top left of this ruler, you'll notice a small blue triangle and a blue rectangle. These are your indent markers. The blue triangle is used for the first line indent, and the rectangle below it controls the left indent for the entire paragraph. To create a hanging indent, which is what we need for the second line of citations, you'll want to carefully click on the blue rectangle and drag it to the right. Drag it as far as you want the indent to be. You'll notice your entire highlighted paragraph moves to the right as you do this. But here's the crucial part. Next, glide the blue triangle back to the left, aligning it with the start of the ruler. This action creates an indent only for the second line onwards, leaving the first line intact and neatly positioned. So there you have it. By using the ruler in Google Docs, you can create a perfect second line indent for your citations, giving your document a clean, professional look. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with these features, the more proficient you'll become. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your document workflows.